Hello, good morning. Myself, Dr. Kumari Bharati, Jamshedpur Cooperative College, Department of Philosophy. Today we will talk about the moral judgment. So now, what is a moral judgment? Moral judgment refer to a moral judgment. So, moral judgment evaluate to our voluntary actions and habitual action. So we can say moral judgment is a judgment of voluntary action. We can express rightness, wrongness, good, evil, virtue and vice. So there are four elements are very important. First, decision maker. Second, voluntary action. Third, moral standard. And fourth, decision power. So these are very important for moral judgment. So first, decision maker, judge, who give the judgment of this action is good, this action is bad, this action is right and this action is wrong. So decision maker, judge give the judgment of rightness, wrongness, virtue and vice. So first elements are decision maker. Decisions givers are very important. And second, voluntary action. So voluntary action is very important for moral judgment. We can express of our judgment only for the voluntary action. So now question is, what is voluntary action? So we use the free will of actions. So this action is voluntary action. So voluntary action is also very important for the moral judgment. Again, third, moral standard. Moral standard is also important for the moral judgment because we compare with our actions we compare our action with the moral standard. So we can say, so we can pronounce this action is good, evil, virtue, vice, rightness, wrongness. So moral standard is very important because we compare our action with the moral standard. Again, fourth, decision power. Decision power is also very important. Suppose that judge give the decision, any action, give the decisions of any voluntary action, rightness, wrongness. So he has a decision power. So rationality is very important for the decision maker, decision giver, judge. So these are four elements are very important for the moral judgment. Again, I give the example and explains. Suppose that we see a chalk, we see a pen. So I say this pen is blue, black, white, red. So this is not a moral judgment. Moral judgment is not perceptions. Moral judgment is only value based. We can say this action is good, bad. How can I say? This is not related to perceptions. This is related to compare with the moral standard and I can say this action is good, this action is bad, rightness, wrongness. So moral judgment is based on moral values. So there are two methods are very important. Judgment is fact and judgment of value. So now question is, what is judgment of fact? Judgment of fact is perceptions. We can say this object is, we can say the nature of objects. So judgment is fact related to each judgment. And judgment of value is related to how to be. Judgment of fact is related to descriptive. But moral judgment is not descriptive. It's only related to how to be, our conduct. So there are some distinctions of moral judgment, judgment of fact and judgment of value. So moral judgment is related to the judgment of value. Again, moral judgment is not logical judgment. Logical statement. Logical statement is the important logical statement express the validity of logical argument. He takes the rules and examine the logical argument. But moral judgment related to our moral conduct. So he always describe how to be, should be our conduct. So these are the difference of moral judgment and logical statement. So logical statement examine the validity of logical argument, but moral judgment give the expressions of our judgment, our voluntary action and habitual action, rightness, wrongness, good and bad. It is only not for judge. It can only give the message how to be our conduct. So this is the different of logical statement and moral judgment. Again, we say the moral judgment is normative, regulative and practical. Moral judgment is normative. Yes, moral judgment is normative. Mackenzie also says moral judgment is normative because we can say this action is good, this action is bad. So compare with the moral standard, compare with the ideal of morality and standard of morality. So we pronounce this action is good, bad. So moral judgment is normative. So moral judgment is normative and moral judgment is regulative also, and moral judgment is practical because we view daily life of our conduct. So we use the practical life. So moral judgment is practical also, normative, regulative and practical because it's related to our practical life, our voluntary actions, our habitual action. So it's relate our practical life. So moral judgment is practical. Okay. Again, moral judgment is inferential. How can say moral judgment is inferential? Yes, moral judgment is inferential because because we give the judgment of particular persons with the compare of moral standard. So moral judgment is inferential. Moral judgment is also intuitive. Muirhead also described we give the judgment upon to our conduct. So moral judgment is also intuitive. Bradley described the moral judgment. Bradley described the ordinary language. Moral judgment is intuitive and moral judgment is intuitive and immediately also. So moral judgment is intuitive, rational, normative, regulative and practical also. Okay. So we can say moral judgment is related to our social life. Moral judgment is related to our nature because we give the judgment of our voluntary action, not upon give the judgment of passive experience. So moral judgment is related to our nature. Moral judgment is related to our society. Yes, we can say this action is good, this action is right. So we feel, we follow the obligatory to do it. Suppose that we can say this action is wrong. We feel that you can, you you cannot obligatory to do it. You refrain it. So duty and obligatory is related to moral judgment. You complete your duty, so you done its obligatory. You don't completed its duty, you so you don't obligate. So you don't completed your duty, so you don't follow the obligatory. You refrain it. So rightness and obligatory, rightness, duty and obligatory is related to each other. So we can say what is moral judgment. So moral judgment is a judgment evaluate our voluntary actions, habitual actions. So with expressions of our judgment, rightness, wrongness, good, bad, virtue and vice. So moral judgment is a normative, practical, regulative, intuitive, inferential also. So moral judgment is a judgment of a voluntary action. So I think you clear it. Thank you. Bye. Okay.